Hey, what's up everybody? It's Ali the Best. Today I'm going to be showing you a soft glam tutorial, and please don't mind the special guest. I'm currently on vacation. Enjoy! First, I'm going to start with my Laura Mercier primer for your foundation. It helps keep your makeup intact all day, and it also keeps your face hydrated. Fun tip is that I learned about this the day of my wedding. My makeup artist actually used it and everybody fell in love with it. So I'm going to start with my foundation. I like to use the Stay Matte foundation by NYX with my beauty blender. I like to have a wet beauty blender, so I run it over cool water. That way when I apply my makeup, it'll go ahead and apply a little easier and smoother. Another tip is I like to go ahead and smooth out some of the foundation right below my jawline to make sure I have a perfect look. And now I'm going to go ahead and apply this concealer under my eye. I use Kylie Cosmetics in color Caramel. And again, with a wet beauty blender to go ahead and get into all of those creases for a clean, smooth look. Next, I'll go ahead and apply my setting powder from Kylie Cosmetics in color Yellow. And with a different sponge or beauty blender, you can go ahead and set that into all of your creases to make sure you get everything intact. Setting powder helps keep your makeup last all day. I don't always use setting powder or concealer underneath my eyes, but when I want my makeup to last longer and give it a more contour look, I'll use it. And now for eyebrows. I previously did a perfect eyebrow tutorial, so I won't spend too much time on this, but I am using the same products as I did in my previous videos, so go ahead and click on the link in the description to view. Now for some concealer to give your eyebrows a more clean finish. I use the Maybelline concealer. It's called Master Conceal, and it will be in the link in my description for my perfect eyebrow tutorial. Now to apply a little bit of foundation to my forehead to finish off my contour look. Now with a different brush, I'm going to go ahead and brush off the excess setting powder that was baking on my face while I was doing my eyebrows. Now I'm going to be using my Bare Minerals in color Pecan 18. This is my foundation powder, which I use over my liquid foundation to hold everything intact. Now this is my second to last step if I'm not adding any eyeshadow. This is my NYX Stay Matte Bronzer right over my cheekbones to, again, add a little bit more contour and color to your face. Another tip is I actually like to go ahead and add some of my bronzer to the corners of my forehead to give it a contour look. And last but not least, I will go ahead and add some highlight to my cheekbones. This time I'm going to go ahead and use Anastasia collab with Amrezi. I also really like the Kylie Cosmetics one. I use the one, I believe it's in the caramel color. Very pretty. And you can never go wrong with some pretty matte lipstick. Today I'm going to be using MAC in color Velvet Teddy.